Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Elevation, Summit white paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 2.7 liter turbo paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find includes having heated seats, power sunroof, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, HD surround vision, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black finish on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console, and the seats. Storage on the bottom and center of the door panel with power windows, mirrors, and locks. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have some interior lighting control and your trailer brake controller, black leather seating with power controls and lumbar support on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings and forward collision alert, while the right has voice recognition, some steering wheel audio controls, and the button in the corner here will change the display in front of you. You have a few different displays depending on the information that you would prefer to have displayed. You can just cycle through those. The entertainment display has your audio. This will be your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. You have your phone settings if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, navigation. Go back to the home menu here. You can also see that you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, digital climate controls here as well as the cameras that you can look through with several different options along the bottom of the screen there. Dual zone climate control has your temperature gauge, fan speed, air conditioning controls, as well as your heated seats for the driver and the passenger. A few options below includes your automatic start and stop and lane keep assist. You can see a few more that run across that area as well. You have the storage compartment at the front with a couple outlets for you to use. Next to the shifter, you have your drive mode selector as well as the electronic parking brake. Dual cup holder just in front of the center console, which you can open up for more storage space on the inside. Up top, you have the rear view mirror, of course. You also have the power controls for the sunroof located above you. And in front of the passenger, the glove box, which is quite spacious. So there's some storage space in the front of the vehicle if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have the Summit white paint, red GMC emblem on the black grille, black accents along the bottom of the front bumper, LED headlamps, aluminum wheels with GMC center caps, black mirror caps with your blind spot indicator at the front, paint match door handles with keyless entry. At the back, you have the corner step rear bumper for easier access into the back, the red GMC emblem in the center of the tailgate, as well as the chrome Canyon nameplate below it. Elevation badge in the corner as well. Open up the tailgate, you have plenty of storage space in the back with cargo tie-down locations at each corner, as well as having onboard power. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have the same jet black finish you had in the front, magazine holders on the backs of the seats, the same black leather seating as well. The center will fold down for cup holders for the rear passengers. You have the handle on the side here. You can pull that to lift the seats and lock them into place, giving you access to the under-seat storage and just more storage space in the back in general. Push or pull that handle back and you can set the seat back into place. Dual cup holder on the back of the center console, as well as a couple of outlets for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Elevation. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.